Hello, welcome to the React and MERN-stack full stack web development lecture series. In this lecture series, I'm going to create the front-end part using React. Okay, so we'll use responsive user interface through the React components by using rendering method, fetching data, control inputs, form validation, router, and state management. Okay. For the backend, I'm going to use Node.js and Express framework. So we'll create RESTful API by creating routes and controllers, middleware functions, authentication, and business logic. For the database part, I'm going to use MongoDB as an NoSQL database, and I'm also going to show you the MySQL2 as a relational database. Okay, so the front end and the back end will communicate through the HTTP response message format. Okay, so we are going to use method get, post, put, and delete. Okay, and then the backend will send the response in JSON message format. So for each class, I will explain first and then also show you the coding demo. And then I'll also share the GitHub repository for each class coding demo with you. So let's get started. And I hope that you like this class. And let's start with the React onboarding class in our next video. Thank you very much.